Hello community! Today we have two brand new AI models and you're not gonna believe it, they are French, European. And here we have it, a new Pixtral Large. It is a 124 billion free trainable parameter, open weight multi-modal AI, a vision language model right out of Paris. Isn't it beautiful? And yes, there's one particular test. This is called Mathematic Vista, which evaluates complex mathematical reasoning over visual data. This model outperforms all other models on this planet. Isn't it beautiful? So we also have, as I told you, an update here to the Mistral Large. It has a maximum token of 128K and the version is 24.11 for 2024 November. Plus our new multi-modal model, and this is called Pixtral Large, also the version 24.11. Now, isn't it beautiful? You have your API for text generation, vision, code generation, embedding, function calling, fine-tuning, JSON mode, and guardrailing. Plus, you have beautiful developer examples. You want to build here a RAG for internet retrieval, RAG for medical domain, financial advisor, or a legal copilot. You have all those models available here on the documentation and on the platform. You can implement it. And on Legit, we can explore it, and we will do this. But at first, you want to build an agent here with this latest model, and I just checked it, and yes, it is available. Have a look here. You just go here on the platform to agents. You can deploy here your agent with just a few clicks. You have here the model, and now finally we have here the Pixtral Large. This is brand new. Now it is only at 123 billion free trainable parameter model. So we lost 1 billion, but never mind. It is here European. You have the randomness, you have the instruction, you have the system prompt. You can have the ICL in context learning example, and you create an agent just by clicking here on deploy, and this agent is available on the complete platform, whatever you want to do with it. And you also have use cases. You have a French agent, and then you have a little bit of a Python agent, and you have a Python agent workflow, and a data analytical multi-agent workflow, and a role-playing conversational agent. You just click on, and everything is available for you. Yes, today we are here promoting the European Union models today. But you're gonna say, hey, listen, I'm just interested in 2 point. Is it better than this Llama 3.2 90 billion? Yes, look at this. Here's our little llama, and here's here the European champion here from Paris here. And you also say, hey, but is it as good as Claude 3.5 Sonnet version 2? And well, look here, we found one test where it is. Yeah, it is better. I mean, you could argue here with Claude 3.5 Sonnet here in this color that here Sonnet is a little bit better, but here the French model is better, Sonnet is better, French model is a little bit better. So let's see, it is minimum as good as Claude 3.5 Sonnet version 2, and this is an emotional statement backed up by the data. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, Advent is here, Christmas is coming, and we have a 128K context window, and it fits a minimum of 30, finally, high-resolution images. And yes, of course, it can generate images, and all the images you see here are generated by this new French model. So, if you want more, here is the official link by Mistral, Pixtral Large. Pixtral finally grows up, isn't it beautiful? And if you want to have the data here of all the benchmark data here, you see here in the first line, Pixtral Large 125B compared to the Llama 3.2 90B, to Gemini 1.5 Pro, to GPT-4 0, Omni, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This is version 2, please note, this is version 2, so also real good. Plus, we have our text model. Please do not forget, we have here beautiful large language model only. It's called Mistral Large 24.11. It's a significant upgrade to the latest version. We have notable improvements in long context understanding. We have a new system prompt and more accurate function calling. Isn't this beautiful? Plus, this is highly capable for RAG, agentic workflows, for enterprises, your use cases as knowledge exploration, semantic understanding of documents, task optimization. I say, what? Semantic understanding of documents? Let's test this out immediately, since it's available now for 2 hours already here. So we go here to the chat platform, and you see this is my prompt, and I upload here the PDF file here. And my prompt is simply say, hey, analyze the provided PDF document, you have the objective and goals, clearly define the primary aim of the research, discuss the specific problem in AI that this research addresses, summarize the novel methodologies introduced and highlight the most important facts and data, explain how the methods differ from and improve upon existing approaches, identify the main insights and conclusions drawn by the authors, discuss the relevance and the significance of these insights, analyze how these new methods and findings integrate with current AI technology, describe how this research advances here the field of AI, explore the potential implications and application of this research, consider future research direction and practical application that could arise from this finding, and provide a concise scientific summary that highlights the significance and the potential impact of this research on the broader AI landscape. And now to the reply by this beautiful new model, 124 billion free trainable parameter. Comes back, says here, comprehensive analysis of this PDF about graph, assistant, query, and reasoning system here. Primary aim, problem addressed, novel methods introduced, key methodologies, key findings. Second page here is then here, improved accuracy, explainable insight, significant main insight for the hybrid RAG system. Page 3 goes on to integration in the AI landscape, broader implication, impact, potential implication. Page 4 comes to future research direction, and then we have here the concise scientific summary in a very short form. So 4 pages here as a reply by this beautiful agent. I think it looks really, really good in the performance. Plus, then I can say, hey, can you find additional information on this topic on the internet? And you say, how is this possible? Because look, it's nice. Graph 8, GraphQL, Microsoft Graph, neural graph reasoning. Plus, we have all the links to the original documentation on the internet. And it's easy because now we have beta features. And I activated here the web search. But image generation, yes, all images here in this video were generated here with this new Mistral model. Plus you have a canvas, you know the canvas already, that we can operate when we do coding and whatever. This is all available now. And of course, all of those models are available on HuggingFace. And we go here to Mistral AI. And as you see, updated 2 minutes ago. My goodness, channel is perfect here. We have our Pixtral Large Instruct 2411. Plus, we have here the Mistral Large Instruct, our text model 2411, updated already an hour ago. Hey! But here, the new Vision Language Model, brand new 2 minutes ago. You just go there and you have here all the information that you need. Plus, if you download here 0, hey, it's 2 minutes already available. What I wanted to show you, if you go with the Vision Language Model, with the Pixtral Large Instruct 24B, there is something beautiful. Because either you have here the installation, pip install, yes, server image, beautiful, and then you just ping the client and you have here the complete code, you just copy the code, request the HuggingFace hub, the datetime, beautiful. You go here with your model, you have your load your system prompt, great. Then you have the image URL, then you have the message and the text and everything, and you get a response by the system. This is great. But you know what? You have also, you can ping here this Vision Language client also with a text-only example. And here you have the code. In the following example shows how the system prompt can be used to make sure, for example, that the model always knows the current date. Plus, we're here in text-only example. So here you have the Python code if you want to implement this, and you have here a simple role, a simple question here as a user, and then you see here the response by the model, and it knows the data and it knows exactly how many dates passed. And I think this is a real nice feature. Offline examples, VLM, everything is available to code for you. So I think there's nothing holding you back to enjoy it. Maybe you start here with the research license. And if you're in a company and you find it really helpful, well, contact the people at Mistral AI for a commercial license. So here we go, my last video. Remember, I showed you here AI integration here, and I was talking here that Meta published here that now the LLama model are available here for the US government and all services, civilian and non-civilian services. But today we have something beautiful. Because now if you look at this, America has with Meta, it's here Llama 3.2, where Meta declares this will be the new standard here. Great, beautiful. We have in China here some beautiful, high, powerful, impressive models like Qwen 2.5, the complete family for text and vision and coding and everything. Real good performance. And finally, starting tonight, we have in Europe also a beautiful new LLM, a Vision Language Model, in addition, Mistral Large version 2. So I think now, as you can see, we are somehow starting to get balanced here in, at least if we look here at the LLMs and the Vision Language Model for the US, for Europe, for China. This is it. This is just a very first impression here that I saw. Hey, we have a new European AI model and language model and a vision model. I hope it was informative. I hope you enjoyed it. Try it out. The prices are available online. I was using here the research license. If you use it for commercial reasons, you will get a commercial license. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe if you subscribe, you will see me in my next video.